Hi, I'm Josiah with Runner Row Home. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Trugard shower tray and curb. I'm going to show you a little bit more about the product. So this one right here is a 48 by 48 and it has a center drain. Now Trugard does have a couple options depending on where your drain is located. They also have the one slope trays if you do have a linear drain setup. Now the curb, this one is 5 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide and can be cut to size. This one is 48 inches long as well.
Start by measuring your shower area. Measure both sides and measure where your drain is. Sometimes your drain won't be perfectly in the center, so you want to make sure you know where it is. Then just puzzle piece the tray together and lay it out on the floor, and then transfer your measurements onto the tray. You want to make sure that you're cutting off the same distance on both sides, or else the slope won't be right. And then just cut it with a handsaw and we will learn how to install it. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the other half of Runner Row Home. So I'm going to measure the space for the curb and then cut it with a handsaw. You'll want to dry fit both your curb and your shower tray, so make sure you do that before you start putting the mortar in and make any adjustments that are needed. Now it's time to install your curb and tray. Using modified thinset and a 1/4 by 3/8 square or U-notch trowel, start putting your thinset down on the floor. When you're installing the curb, make sure to get it up on the wall and the floor, and then go ahead and back butter the bottom and sides of the curb. Press the curb in firmly and clean up any thinset that has squeezed out, and then go ahead and walk on the tray to make sure it's really in place. And now you're done.